How Interflon contributes to cost savings and maintaining molds within the injection molding industry. The mold is the most important and often the most expensive part of the injection molding machine. That is why maintaining them well is essential. Besides the high standards customers set on the process and the finished product is why most of the injection molding companies have dedicated mold workshops with highly specialized people cleaning, maintaining, and preparing the molds. When a mold comes back from production, it's important they are cleaned thoroughly of adhered contamination and burned gases so they can be used correctly the next time. Conventional cleaners are effective but mostly very aggressive, bad for health, and not allowed where food-grade products are required. The ones that are very friendly to the user and the environment and even food-grade certified are not always effective, having to repeat the action various times, wasting product. Before going to the production area, different parts, ejector pins, guide pins, and runners of the mold have to be well and carefully lubricated in order to assure its efficiency in production. Conventional wet lubricants tend to drip on the mold cavities or even on the molded parts, provoking rejected finished products and production stops in order to clean the contaminated parts. When using Interflon maintenance products, lubrication intervals are extended and the life of machine parts is increased. This is how Interflon contributes to cost savings and maintaining molds at the same time reducing downtime within the injection molding industry.